Introduction to Shared Drives in Google Workspace.
Shared drives are powerful tools in Google Workspace that help teams store, organize, and access files collectively. Unlike personal drives, files in shared drives belong to the team, making collaboration simpler and more secure. This tutorial will guide you through setting up and maintaining organized shared drives for smooth teamwork and efficient file management.
Creating and structuring a shared drive.
To start, create a new shared drive within Google Drive by selecting Shared Drives and clicking New. Name your drive clearly, such as Marketing Projects or Finance Team. Plan a folder structure that reflects your team's workflow, using main folders for large categories and subfolders for projects or topics. Clear organization makes files easy for everyone to find.
Adding members and managing permissions.
Invite team members to your shared drive by clicking Manage Members. Assign roles like Manager, Content Manager, Contributor, Commenter, or Viewer based on each person's needs. Carefully manage permissions. Only allow editing for those who need it, and restrict sensitive folders as appropriate. Good permission management protects your files and keeps collaboration smooth.
Organizing files and folders effectively.
Organize files by using naming conventions, such as including dates or project codes in file names. Deposit documents into the correct folders rather than keeping them loose. Regularly review files and archive outdated items. Encourage your team to avoid duplicates and always use shared, not personal, drives for team content. These habits maintain an orderly and efficient workspace.
Maintaining and optimizing shared drives.
Review your shared drive regularly to ensure the structure remains logical and up to date. Remove unnecessary files and adjust folder names as projects evolve. Schedule periodic cleanups and remind your team to file documents correctly. An optimized shared drive saves time, reduces clutter, and helps everyone find what they need with less effort.
Best practices for long-term success.
Communicate guidelines for using shared drives with your team. Use clear documentation to explain folder structures, file naming rules, and permission settings. Designate a team member as the drive organizer, if possible. Staying proactive about organization helps your team collaborate efficiently, keeps data secure, and ensures your shared drives serve as reliable hubs for teamwork and information.